Hey guys, I'm with Props, and today I'm going to show you guys how I made some thermal detonators. So the first thing I did was went through and modeled these in Fusion 360, and it's a pretty simple design. I just cut some lines into it and then extruded and extended some of the lines to create the tooth pattern that go around it, and then I drilled in some holes and made the handle just tracing the outline of the thermal detonator. One of these I'm going to make light up, and I just made a really simple circuit running off of a small lithium battery and with a small button on it, which I'll put in the middle of one of the dots, and it just clicks on and off. Then I went through and painted one of the white spheres matte black, and then glued the electronics into it, fitting them on into place. You could just print this out in black PLA. I did that for one of these, but this first print was a test run, so I didn't want to use my expensive filament. I then went through and dry brushed on some silver paint to give it a nice weathered look, and then I went through on my smaller one and did a lot heavier of a dry brushing just to differentiate it a little bit from the first thermal detonator that I made. I then went through and put in some hot glue, and then used the metal end of my razor pen to fill that in with some hot glue. Overall, I think this one turned out pretty good. The lights look pretty nice on it, and it's definitely something that I'm going to be continue making. The smaller one also looks pretty good. The way that the hot glue looks when you put some red and yellow paint under it looks pretty good. If you guys want to check out my Etsy shop, I have links to that in the description. Thanks for watching. See you guys.